You know we really want the funk.
If I need the funk, I'm gonna take it.
You know we really want the funk.
If I need the funk, I'm gonna take it.
You know we really want the
If
funk.
I need the funk, I'm gonna take it.
What's up, guys? Rhett and Link here. What are we doing today? Oh, is this filming right now?
Yeah, it's
Where's my countdown? Like 3, 2, 1. What I've been told by the people who brought us here is that we are going to be tasting a various selection of foods from either the DH, a dorm room, or what's the other one? The P-Den?
The P-Den.
So we're going to have to
Dun,
test
dun, dun.
which one of those we like the best, and also which one of those we think is from which place. Now, based off of looks alone, this would be pretty easy, so we're going to put on some blindfolds here. No peeking.
I'm not peeking. Are you peeking?
Not yet.
Okay.
Not yet.
Where's my thing? There he is. That's what she said. Let's go right.
Oh, I was thinking left.
Oh,
Let's
maybe
just,
we should go middle.
yeah.
Alright, middle.
Where's the...
Here is a fork. And you're gonna wanna go here.
Right there.
Here's my
All right.
And here is a fork.
Oh,
And
okay.
you're gonna wanna go there.
All right.
Oh, God.
And pick it up and spike it a few times. There you go. You got some good. Hold it up, Amelia.
Yeah.
No, you got nothing. Remy's got a lot. Put that in your mouth, Remy.
Did this work? Ew, that's so gross. Eating noise as they gets up.
Yeah.
I can feel the weight.
If I've ever had a DH salad, that's a DH salad.
I've never had a DH salad.
I've had a DH salad. That's a DH cucumber. I'm gonna go back for some
It is
more.
very
Look at that.
cucumbery.
That's a DH cucumber right there.
Alright, y'all ready for the second one?
Yeah, let's go ahead and go left.
Alright, I'll take your fork. Alright, so now you're going left. Here is your fork. You want to go here. Here's your fork. You want to go here.
This
You
is
want to get some.
difficult. Did I get some?
Remy, get any?
Oh damn, that's got some cheese on it though.
Hello? Did I get some?
A little bit.
Oh, that's just weather. Oh. What
Ooh,
is
that's
that
a
dressing?
raspberry vinaigrette dressing.
Yeah, I was like, that's fancy.
I might have to take this one back. That don't.
I'm literally only getting lettuce.
I'm only getting cucumbers.
Oh. There's like some little things on there. What the heck is that?
There's a little bit of cheese in there.
Is it quinoa?
Let
That
me-
sounds bougie.
Ooh yeah.
Is
it
there not
feels-
bread and bowl in here?
Hold up. Yeah, that's quinoa. Man.
Yeah, I think it's quinoa.
I'll take your fork,
Or
Remy.
you still think the first one's the DH?
Yeah, I'm still thinking that the middle's the DH.
This is your fork, Remy.
Thank
And you're going over here.
you. Ooh.
And Amelia,
Thanks, Charlie.
here.
Did I get some?
Go ahead and take a bite.
Yeah. Remy got a lot. You got none.
Why is
Oh, there
this
you
so...
go.
Ooh.
Oh. I think I got a soggy crouton. I do not know my food, apparently.
There's like a little bit of chicken in there.
Yeah. Oh. Do they have chicken in the dining hall salad section?
Not usually.
Put your hand over the one that you think is the DH.
We're holding
going
hands.
Okay, put your hand over the one you think is the P-Den.
This one over here.
Yeah.
Quinoa.
Quinoa.
Put your hand over the one that you think is dorm room.
Are we talking like Lakeside dorm rooms?
This was
Soho
they're made in
dorm
North
rooms, or
Village dorm.
apartment?
North Village
Oh,
apartment.
North Village
this
Apartments.
Chicken. Yeah,
Chicken
Remme
with
and
the-
I are
Okay.
in agreement.
Now grab your name and put it in the one you like best.
Which way is facing out?
Is this the right one? The rightmost one?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think I'm also gonna have to go with this. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
Stab me!
I'm gonna have to go with this one.
Yeah.
Where's something I can stab
Did
into?
my thing fall over?
Right there.
Is this yours?
Okay, blindfolds off.
Okay.
So you
Oh.
guys picked that the Peden was the best of the options.
Oh,
The Peden is on your right.
that's very bright.
The
That is a home salad now. that I
the
look at
DH is on your left.
Quinoa.
And the home salad is in the middle.
Mm.
Let's start all the way on the right this time.
Okay.
Alright, hands out. Here is your fork. Here is the pasta. Here is your fork.
Oh God.
Here is the
I
pasta.
feel like I'm gonna do worse than.
It's all the curly Q kind, so you should be able to get some.
Mmm.
Here, I can. Oh, Remy can get it. I'll get a low on your fork for you. Let me see your hand.
I feel like I'm getting any. Help me!
Give me a second. I'll help you.
Let me just.
Here, Remy. Get this fork. I got a big fork for. Here you go. I got a big fork for you. Careful though. Careful. You're dangling.
Charlie!
Alright,
Thank you.
open up.
That's cold. That's cold. That's cold. Like you had to pull that out of a Peden fridge.
What?
Mine the same one?
No, that's the middle one.
No.
I'm gonna say this is dining hall, my guy. This is dining
Kinda.
hall marinara sauce. Mm-hmm.
You got a little bit there, Remy. You're good to go.
Can I scoop? Scoop.
Yeah, you're good. Go quick. Okay, here is your second fork. Yeah, I got a couple pieces on there for you.
Oh,
It's in the
thanks.
middle, and
Oh.
then Remy. Here you go. There's a big slob on there for you already. Go ahead.
This tastes like homemade.
This is the middle.
I like it though.
That's homemade.
Yeah, that's like ragu right there.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Tastes like it got a little bit of beef in here.
Now we're going to the left.
Oh gosh, now I gotta reach.
All right, this can be for you, Remy. There you go. And then
Has
this
it already
one.
got stuff on it?
Yeah,
Can I go ahead?
yeah.
Go ahead, go ahead.
Amelia,
Yeah.
hand.
Yeah.
Oh.
Pork.
That
Oh.
is many times colder
I don't want
than that one that I
this.
thought was the Peden was.
Oh gosh.
This tastes like something that you got.
There's a vegetable in here. That's a crime.
Oh,
And then the tomato. No,
Oh, that's
there's
rough.
fruit.
I gotta go for a second bite.
Oh god. This is awful.
Oh yeah, the pasta's just. There's not even any sauce on
It's
it.
so cold.
It's just. It's just somebody's been keeping this in their fridge for 2 days.
Okay, please put your hand over the DH for me.
The
All the way- Is this
DH.
the
The
right?
DH.
Do I have it all the way to the right?
Yes.
I ran me holding
Nice.
it.
Okay, hands over the homemade.
Right here.
In the middle.
Hands over the Peden.
God, that's a rip that.
Okay, reach out and grab your skewers.
Oh, skewer.
Further right, Amelia. There you go. And
Oh,
now, gently skewer your favorite.
Where's the homemade? Is this
There you go. You can just drop it.
Okay.
Blindfolds off.
Yeah.
So the DH is on your right.
Yes.
I told you that was DH marinara.
The homemade
sauce.
is in the middle.
Yes.
I gotta
And the
give you
Peden
those.
is on the left. Which means that each of you get 3 points.
Woo! 0 to 3, baby.
Wait, what?
We went
It's
from
three-
0.
It's 3-3.
Last
I'm
round,
looking at the overall
2-3.
score. Okay, I will hand you your slices. Here, Remy, is a slice.
Oh yes.
Here, Amelia, is a slice.
I gotta feel this bread first.
I gotta.
And
I
I would-
gotta hear the bread.
I would not eat the whole thing because you're going to be eating 3.
Oh
Ooh,
yeah,
a
that's
lot of peanut
moist.
butter.
That's moist. I'm
Ew.
gonna go right here in the middle. Okay.
Tastes like Jif.
It tastes like a homemade peanut butter
Yeah,
jelly
it's
sandwich.
homemade.
I made one.
Peanut butter is good though.
It is. I made one yesterday. It tasted just like this.
Well, it tastes like Jif peanut butter.
Next up is our middle one. I'm gonna need 2 hands because this is a big boy.
Ooh.
And be very careful because it's slopping a little.
God, this is the peanut.
This is peed in.
Oh God.
Careful,
Yeah, see,
careful, careful.
Oh, how much jelly? With this much jelly, Furman would not put this much jelly on a sandwich, so this
that bread
cannot
is
be
awful.
peed in. The bread is so stale that I feel like they just had it sitting in a little plexiglass container for the past 6 weeks. And then you put
But
6
then they stared
ounces
at
of
it a little
jelly.
bit longer and then decided they needed to keep it a little bit longer and then somebody bought it. Because they felt bad.
Last, we have the far right sandwich. Also, just be gentle. Hold your hand out, palm up, please. Be gentle because she squeeze.
Oh, she squeeze.
Please, squish.
Gentle, gentle, she squeeze.
Charlie, I'm putting faith in you right now. I have no idea what the hell you just put in your hand.
I don't even know how to
Oh,
eat
God.
this.
Which
Where's
side is
the
cut?
opening?
That's cut right there. Oh God, my hands are so
Oh, this
sticky.
is a crust. What side is the Oh gosh, she's so squishy. What the?
Ooh, there's strawberry jelly on this. I don't know
I
what
feel
to
like
do.
this would be the peanut one though.
Maybe.
Because if it's been cold, it gets squishy.
Mm-hmm.
Put your hand over the DH.
The middle one. This is middle.
Put your hand over the homemade. Put your hand over the P-den. Blindfolds off. So the middle is the DH.
Oh god. Maybe got that.
The one on your right is homemade.
Ooh.
And the
It's
one
so
on the
squishy.
left is the P-den.
Wow, that peanut one was good.
Oh, I realized I forgot to have you vote on which was the best one. Just stick your
It's
flag
that
in
one.
there.
It's this one.
I'm gonna have to go with the classic homemade.
I don't want more of that.
Ooh, these ones over here smell fresh.
Which one's over here?
The one on the right, both of our right, I guess.
Okay, do the right.
Alright, you can reach forward and grab a cookie. There are 2 cookies there. They are in pieces, so grab a chunk.
Oh. Okay.
Ooh, that's doughy.
Yeah, but it's definitely not hot.
Mm-mm.
What is that extra sweetness, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Got something else in it.
Lemon.
Well, you reach. There you go. Yeah, just grab in the middle. That's the wrong one. There you go. That one. Grab one of
This
those
one?
suckers. Yeah.
Okay.
Ooh, this feels a little bit hard.
Oh, she a brick.
She crunchy.
What is this? They smell homemade though, smell it. Actually,
I mean, DH homemakes their cookies too.
I know.
DH cookies are more homemade than probably what you make in a Norm.
This feels like a. No, just kidding.
Is this
Oh!
right
This is done. No. This is homemade. This smells like a homemade oven. Smell it.
one? Those are really, like, Yang cleaned your oven in about 6 or 7 months. Smell to it.
Yeah, but it
And
tastes
you're just like, this tastes like it was made in the same oven as a pizza.
This
what I
kind of
say.
taste. Is this Nestle or Toll House? I think it's Toll House. That's my.
I can't tell. The only thing I'm getting is pizza from 2 nights ago.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Wow, your
I can
taste
smell
are
the
better than
pizza
mine.
on it.
Okay, so going into the final round of guessing, the score is 4-4.
Oh, I
So,
forgot what
If you guess the same on all of them, then it's a tie, which is totally okay. But if you want to win, you have to disagree with the other person. But you might also lose. So, that said, which cookie, you can put the cookie down, Amelia.
I'm enjoying it.
Okay. Which cookie is homemade? Which cookie is DH? Point more clearly for me, Amelia. Kind of point. There you go. And now, which cookie is PDAD? Blindfolds off.
Dun, dun, dun.
The cookie to your right is from the PDAD.
Yeah.
The cookie in the middle is from the DH.
Yeah.
And the cookie to your left is homemade.
What do we
See,
think?
how do we
3 for 3.
disagree if we're right?
7-7 is our final score. We have 2 winners.
Yeah.
You guys want to sign off?
How do you want to sign off?
It's
I don't
time
know,
to
but
spin
this-
the wheel.
I don't know what you
Has been
say.
Remy
This is Amelia and Remy.
signing off.
Good night, folks.
If I